Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. What to expect from this trip? I'm not gonna do any tourism at all. Like, I don't even wanna see the whole island. Like, my plan is just to stay the whole week in Taipei and live like a local. Let's try it out. Okay, you guys, room tour. Very brief one because that's it. Here we have the shower and on a different cubicle, the toilet. This is very Japanese, I feel. And the third piece of the puzzle, we have it here outside. Look what I found here as a welcome item. It's a condom. What? For me, it's the first time I come to a hotel where they welcome me with a condom. Like, okay. I guess, okay. Well, you know you're in East Asia when there's a 7-Eleven and Family Mart in every corner, open 24/7. I don't know why, but I love them. They are like convenience stores that are open 24/7 and they have all kinds of things and products. And they look super cute, like the shop. They have instant noodles that you can prepare here and eat them here in these tables. And as you can see, a lot of stuff. They even have plush toys. And if you need a card for the metro, train, and all other means of transportation, you buy them here in the 7-Eleven. They have different cute designs and then you just keep it as a souvenir. Look how cute. I personally chose this one. Look how cute. Oh my god, I love it. And something about Taiwan, they're obsessed with crane game shops. They're everywhere. And look at this, you can even get an iPhone. Not sure if they're real. Well, you guys, another destination, another dancing scene that I have to try. I'm on my way now to a dancing party, salsa and bachata. So let's see what Taiwan has to offer. I will also meet a friend from the Philippines there who's now living and studying in Taiwan, so I'm super excited about that. So here it is, La Salsa Taipei. Shanghai for 1 year and I'm very excited because now it's time to put to the test what I learned there. My time to shine. Ah, taula. Taula. Okay. So that was it. All my Chinese sums up to we've arrived or we're here and continue straight. That's it. All the Chinese I learned was like taxi conversation to survive and get home. I'm gonna come to try a very special restaurant that a friend of mine recommended to me. Let's try it. Here it is. The name says it all. Modern toilet. Well, and here we are. This place is quite themed. Even the seats and mugs are toilets. And the menu is all about constipation and turds. They also have a section with a lot of themed souvenirs and merchandise that you can buy. After having lunch here, I just went for a walk in the city center and despite the rain, it was beautiful. Full of lights everywhere and other stimuli. Well, good morning, peeps! I'm gonna go now to have breakfast and then to a free walking tour. So yeah, let's go! Well, this has to be one of the best free walking tours I've ever taken. The tour guide was amazing and super knowledgeable. She told us the whole story of Taiwan, which was super interesting. Then I went on my own to this temple, which is one of the main sites of Taipei. I wished I would have understood who this guy was though. And in the evening I took another free tour, but this time about temples. They explained all the traditions and how to pray. Like for example, you use these tokens to ask the gods if something is gonna happen or not. Another day, another salsa night in Taipei. Apparently here there's a lot of social parties. I will meet my Filipino friend there as every other day I've been going out. So come with me. By the way, I love this city at night. Here we have it, the venue for the night, Azúcar. Okay, so night over, like the party was pretty good. Like I must say that Taiwan has amazing dancing. And here we are with my Filipino friend.
What's up, guys?
This is Thak.
Hey, Thak here with my best friend from Spain.
Yay! Oh my god.
Amazing dancer.
You are amazing.
Amazing bachatera, amazing salsera, amazing lead.
I'm gonna include all of these shots in the vlog.
Yeah, legally you have to.
Keep it coming, keep it coming. POV, you've been in Taiwan for a week, and even though you like the local food and Asian dishes in general, you're craving something nastier. So then you try to go for donuts and you find a place that it's 15 minutes by foot, and you decide to go there to satisfy your craving. Good morning. Something I love about this city is that it's super bike friendly and also motorbike friendly. Okay, so I actually think the place that I'm looking for is inside the metro station. So let's see if I can find it. Success, here it is. Yes, please. Morning glory. Now ready to start the day. Something very cool about Taiwan is that you can cross in diagonal, you see? Like instead of straight, like across the road. I love that. A man and his pig pet. Okay, so come with me now to one of the street food markets in Taiwan. It's not one of the most popular ones or biggest ones, but it's the one that is closest to my hotel. Let's try it out. Okay, so this is the winner. I'm gonna go for the safe bet, noodles. Sheshe. I'm just gonna sit here and eat this and then continue the day. So let's get the chopsticks. Okay, just please don't judge me using my chopsticks. So that was fried noodles plus soup. Only 40. This is my second round, sheshe, 45. A sausage is always a safe bet, so. And something awesome that I love about Taipei is that this city is so functional. Like for example, if you want to leave your luggage somewhere like in a check room, they have check room in almost all main MRT stations, which is like the metro. It's so convenient. It's so easy to use. You just pay. This is the price for 3 hours, 60, but you exceed the time. When you come to take it out, like you have to pay the extra fee. That's it. Well, you guys, I was supposed to do a hike to Elephant Mountain, which is a place from which you get a very good view of Taipei 101, but I don't have time because otherwise I won't make it to the airport on time. So instead I decided to come to the building itself to at least see it from up close, and that's my last thing to do here before leaving. So here we are, the sides of all sides of Taipei. Wow. You can go up and see the whole views of the city. This is interesting. I don't know who would bring like birds and poultry in the metro without being pets. Even if they are pets, that's weird, but okay. Guys, like this country, like look, we're at the metro station and you have like these umbrellas in case it's raining and you can rent them for a very affordable price. This is amazing. They think of everything. Also, there are restrooms in absolutely every metro station. Shows you whether it's a squatting toilet or like a Western one. Yeah, don't forget that we're in Asia after all, so no thank you. I leave these images here of how organized Taiwanese people are even to enter and exit the train, following those lines on the floor. Hope you enjoyed this mini vlog and see you in the next one!